Today, I'm going to show you how to handle your trading losses by using 3 simple techniques. Number 1, every day when you get ready to trade, I want you to look at your back testing and your live results. I want you to look at your win rate, whether it's 50%, 60%, 70%, whatever it is. And I want you to tell yourself before you start trading, my trading results, my back testing, everything tells me that I'm going to have 30% losses today. I'm going to have 40% losses. Whatever that number is, remind yourself at the beginning that today is going to have losses within a certain amount of time. When a Major League Baseball player steps up to the plate, even if they are headed to Cooperstown, batting 300 lifetime, they know they're going to strike out more times than they're going to hit, and they know that's okay. So step 1, remember, before you trade, you're going to have trading losses that day. Step number 2, I want you to change the way you talk about it. No longer trading losses. You have 2 types of trades. You have a profitable trade, and you have an unprofitable trade. As long as you're following your trade plan, they are both successful trades. You can have a successful trade that makes you money. You can have a successful trade that loses you money. The only unsuccessful trade out there is a trade where you broke your rules. So if you're following your rules, that trade was successful. So if you have a loss, stop calling it a loss. Especially in the English language, loss has this loser connotation. Let us completely eliminate that word. So today, if someone asks you, well, I had 3 profitable trades and 3 unprofitable trades. For 1 week, I want you to change the term loser or losing trade or loss to unprofitable trade. Number 3, I don't want you to run from the emotions that come when you see that you have a losing trade. This is going to be the last time we use that term, losing. So I don't want you to have an unprofitable trade and try to swallow those emotions. If you're a swing trader, what I want you to do, I want you to step away from your computer for 5 minutes and fully experience the fact that that trade just cost you money. Go outside, howl at the moon, do whatever it takes, punching bag, whatever it takes for you to get those emotions out of your system. Don't run from it. Fully experience the fact that your balance just went down, and it sucks. Then when those 5 minutes are up, go back to trading like normal. Treat it like a football game, or insert your favorite sports team here, game, right? Your team lost today, and for the first half hour, for the first hour, for the first 4 hours after the game, you don't feel very good. But by Monday or Tuesday, you've moved on. So just compress that down, fully experience the fact that, my account went down. I had a losing trade. 5 minutes go by and move on. If you're a day trader, you're going to have a lot more of those, so you're going to have to compress that time. But go ahead and fully experience all the negative emotions that come with having an unprofitable trade. And what you're going to find is, as you do that, you're going to find that you're actually experiencing the full range of emotions less and less and less. Almost like building up an immunity to it. So those 3 tips right there. Number 1, tell yourself at the beginning of each day, yes, I'm going to have a loss today. And number 2, don't call it a loss. Call it an unprofitable trade. And number 3, when it happens, howl at the moon for 30 seconds and then go about the rest of your day trading according to your plan. All right, folks, that's it. I'll see you next time.